Thank you so much, Sir Jai and Hero Motorcycle Corporation, for having me test your bike. Yan yung itsura niya. Ganda, no? Plastic, very good. FI, yung charger niya dyan, dito. So alright, you can open that. May USB dyan sa ilalim. You can charge your phone, charge there, lagay dito while riding. O yan, no? May panel dito. You can add some switches. And the plastic, yung plastic, ganda. Bendable plastic. Bendable plastic. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang brands, especially ng China.